Peace. All nice and decent, slip the crew. This is Mr. Cat and Sugar Ray riding through. One me I tell a man she have me intoxicated, but her love high man like a genie, put a call with a fly. So me I say a virgin to me, I beg her baby the first try. So the water come me. Spread your love and fly. 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 All around the world, statues crumble for me. Who knows how long I've loved you? What will you say? Everywhere I go, people stop and they say, 25 years old, my mother, God rest her soul. Lord of mercy. I just wanna fly. Where you want? Put your arms around me, baby.
No, it's swelled to the size of a grapefruit. Good afternoon, I'm Gregory McGugan. We apologize for this interruption, but we are bringing you an exclusive report from the Kananaskis River in southern Alberta. There seems to be some sort of disease that has infected the local kayaking population. This footage was shot by a boater making a video for a local film festival. You can clearly see this kayaker do a sick flat spin and immediately lose consciousness. As far as we know, the disease is contagious. The local authorities have been dispatched and they are already collecting samples for analysis. We now go to Dr. John Heyman, the head pathologist of the Infectious Disease Lab at the Calgary Medical Hospital. Doctor, what have you found so far?
The infection seemed to originate from a single kayaker who received a sandfly bite on a trip to Costa Rica.
Now I know what sand is and I know what a fly is. Can you tell us, doctor, what is a sand fly?
The bug was carrying a protozoa that usually causes a small seeping wound that can easily be treated with IV medications. However, our treatment was ineffective and the leishmaniasis has mutated into something we've never seen before.
Doctor. Awful. Horrible. Horribly awful, doctor.
It seems to be spreading fast and the public should avoid the infected cases at all costs due to their aggression.
Thank you, doctor. We now have to take a short break to hear from some of our sponsors.
Deals, 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 deals! Get your hands on this barely used, one-of-a-kind Wave Sport Project X in Inferno! Only at Bill's Used Kayaks. Bill, yeah. Not responsible if you look like everybody else in an Inferno kayak.
Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. Merrily, 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 life is but a dream. Row, row, row your boat gently down the stream. If you see a crocodile, don't forget to swim.
And we're back. A zombie outbreak. It has been confirmed that zombies are taking over the can. We now go to our field correspondent, Barbara Ann Johnson. Barbara?
Thank you, Greg. I'm here with kayaker Krista X, who's witnessed some of the mayhem that has been sweeping the river. Krista X, what have you seen?
Well, this guy Simon Coward ate my friend, so I called the cops.
Really? That's interesting. Are you worried that this will hamper your kayak season?
Nah, I'm a master bracer. Nothing can stop me. You know, I'm a boofer. It's what I do.
Excuse me, Barb, but I just got word that Parks Canada has arrived on scene.
Yes, Greg, I see them now.
And now, to commercial.
Do you hate the weather? Are water levels getting you down? Well, wait no more. The home river revolution is here. The Wave-O-Matic is your ticket to indoor whitewater fun. Just plug it in, fill the tub, and enjoy hours of big waves and non-stop action. Don't take it from us. Hear from our satisfied customers.
I love it!
Order now and receive this free throw bag.
looks like they're coming to get you, Barbara.
There are signs that the zombie infestation is now spread to downtown Calgary.
Barb, you may want to look behind Barb.
Oh God! Oh God! I love you, Greg!
Ah, well, that wraps up our broadcast for today. Stay tuned for This Old Boat, where Doug Summers shows us how to get that new boat smell back in your boat seat. See you on the river, Canada. I'm Gregory McGugan. Deals, deals. Is this the one that you guys did? Oh, this thing is burning the shit out of my lip. Let's keep moving.
Yeah, let's do this. Let's do this.
Okay, you know, we're confident. We have jobs. Comfortable. It was really uncomfortable. I wouldn't recommend it. Ever. Anyway, are we done?
Great.
Are we done? I'm over.